Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to remove the background for free and how to keep the full quality resolution having no quality loss. Let's go. First, create a new design in Canva, for example 16:9 presentation size, and upload the photo where you want to remove the background, or just take one of the Canva library. Let's find a nice person, for example. Person, enter, photos, scroll down. Let's take this one, for example. This man has very impressive eyes, looking straight into the cam, so it's a nice picture. Let's make it a little bit bigger and center it. Alright. Normally we would just click on the picture and then click on BG remover, but this is a pro version feature, so as you know, you must pay for it. There's a hack or trick you can use if you want to make it for free, if you want to remove the background for free. Just go to apps and then type in BG remover, enter, and here you have the background cleaner, for example. Just click on the background cleaner and then select your picture. You can see it's already here, and you can just click on erase background. Wait a few seconds. Alright guys, here you can see the background is removed. You can do whatever you like with this. You can add another background, and you can also just download this picture, for example in JPG, but here you have also the quality, which is set as a standard on 80. It means like 80% or something. Just put the slider to 100 and download it. Alright guys, that's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. See you next time.